Don't you wake up yet, give me some time to watch you asleep. Oh, angel of mine. And I will be fine as long as you need me. Oh, angel of mine. So tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? In this cozy room, just me and you. Oh, cuddling and kissing, making sweet love, the shooting star wishing to watch the sun come up, and then we'll sleep all day, meeting our dreams and live life our way. Pass it all up and we'll fly away, dip through the stars and wake up slowly, slow. But tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay?